None of that ringing a bell.
O great one who summons me, I stand by my oath, loyalty to wishes 3.
I'm kidding. Watch this.
Watch out! You done wound me up. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey, can you make me a prince?
There is a lot of gray area in Make Me a Prince. I could just make you a prince.
Oh, no.
Y'all see my palace?
You look like a prince on the outside, but I didn't change anything on the inside. Showtime.
No, I'm in charge, okay? I say when it's time. Really? I thought a princess could go anywhere.
Not this princess.
Do you trust me? Don't you dare close your eyes.
Brisbane, your wish has been granted. Disney's Aladdin arrives at the Lyric Theatre next month. Prepare to experience one of the most spectacular musicals to ever come to QPAC. This is a night of pure theatrical magic like you've never seen before. Disney's Aladdin will only play for a strictly limited season. Don't miss out. Book your tickets today at QPAC.
You ain't never had a friend like me. Yeah!
Hold your breath, it gets better.
I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far.
Let me share this whole new world with
They're over there! Get them! Stop! Please! You three, get back here! He's on the roof!
You stumbled upon an opportunity. I can make you rich. Rich enough to impress a princess.
What would I have to do?
There's a cave of wonders. Bring me the lamp. Bring me the lamp. Your life begins now. Aladdin.
You really don't know who I am. Genie, wishes, lamb.